This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Vanguard story mode. To begin your epic journey, simply navigate to the main menu and select the campaign option. You will then be prompted to choose your desired difficulty, ranging from recruit for a more relaxed experience to veteran for a true challenge. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the on-screen prompts and initial objectives as you dive into the narrative. Get ready for an immersive and action-packed adventure. As you progress, mastering core gameplay mechanics is key. Always prioritize using cover to protect yourself from enemy fire. Peeking out strategically can make all the difference. Keep a close eye on your ammunition count and remember to scavenge for more from fallen enemies or supply crates. Many missions also feature optional secondary objectives, which often provide valuable intel or equipment, so be sure to complete those whenever possible. Vanguard's campaign features a diverse cast of characters, each possessing unique skills that can turn the tide of battle. Experiment with these abilities to find what best suits your playstyle. Throughout your journey, you will also have opportunities to upgrade your weapons and equipment, enhancing their effectiveness. Remember to adapt your approach based on the mission's demands, whether it's a stealth infiltration or an all-out assault. To successfully complete each mission, always pay close attention to the briefings and any intel you gather. They often contain crucial information. While direct combat is often necessary, consider using stealth tactics when the situation allows, as this can help you bypass heavily fortified areas or gain a tactical advantage. Don't hesitate to replay missions if you want to improve your score, discover hidden secrets, or simply enjoy the action again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.